उन्होंने बना दिया है, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो कुछ भी बना है वो पूरा नेचर को प्रिजर्व करते हुए बनाया है इन्होंने। कहीं पे भी इन्होंने नेचर को हिंडर या डैमेज नहीं किया है। आप देखो जो माउंटेन्स थे उनको वैसे ही रहने दिया और जो भी नया प्लांटेशन किया है वो भी उसी के ऊपर किया है। वहाँ पे जब हम थे तो हमने देखा था, दिस इज आवर एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स जोन above which there will be an helipad. This is the food court arena. You will be able to go and have the eatery shops over there facing to river. Over here we'll be having all the adventure sports. You name it, they have it. We'll be also having stargazing over here. The night temperature over here is just out of the world. Other than that, it's a spiritual place, a ecotourism place. The Commonwealth 2030 cycling track gonna be happening in Dharoi Dam itself.
Wow.
And there will also be an ecotourism park. You can go there, do the hiking, trekking, rock climbing, rappelling, and whatnot. Stay tuned, stay excited.
How many days
stay
they have to
curious.
stay here to enjoy this fully?
Government is claiming that you need to stay here 9 nights, 10 days. If you want to
Wow.
explore Dharoi Dam,
Wow.
Taranga Jain Hills, Vadnagar, Polo Forest, and lot more. Ambika Mata Mandir. So they've made sure that this people, when they come over here, they have lots of options available, right from spiritual tranquility to ecotourism park to adventure sports to water sports arena and to the cultural heritage of Dharoi. Everything brought at one spot. This has never ever happened at any of the tourist spots in India as well as the world. That's why they're also bringing in a light laser show right at the dam. Now we're going to be going at the dam to witness how the laser show will happen over there. And they're also constructing a glass bridge wherein you can go and take just a selfie with the dam. This has never ever happened in the history. How many of you are feeling mind blowing?
Wow!
Guys, this is magical. This is magical, and this gonna be the next big regime of tourist spot for India, because in this water you can go and do adventure sports for continuously 12 hours, and you'll feel better and better because this is so clean, so serene. Other than that, they are planning some more things. Stay tuned, stay excited. That we'll discuss on the next spot. Let's move forward. We'll just click a picture.